Hello guys and welcome back. This is a tour of the desk where I work, study and make art. I will show you my stationery, my magnet board, some of my artworks and more. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. So let's start with what I call the altar of good things. And this is where I put things to create a great atmosphere in my room. Here is my favorite water bottle that I have decorated myself. Plus it has this nib that I love because I can drink from it without lifting it up. Then behind the bottle I have my lights, my gift box, and the Starbucks cup that has nostalgic value. And here is my perfume. I make sure that it is always on the altar so that I see it and not forget to use it. I really like the scent and I also really love the way the bottle looks like. I prefer to have fresh flowers in my room, so here are the daisies that I picked myself. And here is a little speaker that I've had for a couple of years and it still works really great. And here is a little perfume that I take whenever I go somewhere. I really like to have candles in my room, but this candle holder could not really hold them properly, so I had to put extra clay to make the candle stand. And last but not least, I like to keep this amethyst crystal on the altar as well. I'm not sure whether it does something, but it is very beautiful to look at. And now let's continue with the actual desk. I like to hang my jewelry on the lamp. I know I'm not the only one who does it. And here I have shortcuts for the Premiere Pro, and they save me a lot of time. And here you can see the things that I showed you in my What's in My Bag video. In the corner I have a fake plant from Ikea, and here is my color-coded stationery. All the stationery that you can see here were sent to me by Arteza. They sponsored me last year and I keep them in batches of blue, yellow and red, and then green. In this little glass jar, I keep my brushes and two golden pens that I use the most. Next to them, I have a former candle holder with my makeup brushes, my BB cream, my beauty blender, and a remote for my lamp. I will show how the remote works with my lamp at the end of the video. On the table, I have my holographic bullet journal, which I do not really use since I do not find it very efficient, but it looks beautiful and it also can hold a lot of papers inside, which is a big plus. Next to it is my hard drive that I use to back up the videos and then later edit them. And beneath both of them I have a Flow magazine, which is in Dutch and it helps me to learn the language. It is very well designed, so learning new words is very exciting. And here is my Yeti microphone. I actually got it years ago to record music, but now I mostly use it for voiceovers. Then there is another water bottle and also the protector for the table. And this little emoji devil is a little funny accent to a plain white wall. In the center of the table, there is my laptop with the keyboard cover with Photoshop shortcuts. And I prefer to have my desk lit up when it gets dark, so here I have a little garland with hearts. Here is a simple phone stand that I got from Ikea. And here is my favorite cup that stands on the coaster that I made. In the top right corner, I have my felt bag with extra art supplies and a little tripod. The content of it is pretty self-explanatory, but I can make a what's in my pencil case video if you guys would like to see it. Next to that, I have my mini tech pouch where I have my USBs, my memory cards, my extra lenses and more. And this is my big makeup bag. I won't focus too much on it in this video, but I do have to say that I love makeup and I would love to film makeup videos as well. Last but not least, this is a tin box with random stuff that I might need during study or work. I have stickers, I have a hole puncher, sharpener, sticky notes, glue, lighter, highlighters, erasers, USB sticks, and more stuff. On the right, I have a so-called lazy arm thing for an iPhone, and I wanted to use it to film with my phone, but as you can see, it is super shaky, so yeah, I had to abandon this idea. On the wall, I have a print of one of my favorite paintings by Mark Rothko. It's called The White Center, and it was made in 1950. And next to it is my big tripod that I use to film videos with my camera. On the magnet board in front of me, I have flowers and then my schedule, and I also have my little artworks. This is David Bowie, Lana Del Rey, American Gothic, and Lady Gaga. Here are the magnets that I got from Rijksmuseum, and beneath them is a ticket from Boijmans Museum that is currently closed. This is another artwork of mine. I made it quite a long time ago, but it's still one of my favorites. And here is the list of museums in the Netherlands, and my goal is to visit the majority of them. I also keep my laptop on a stand so that it's more comfortable to work for a lot of hours. I try not to put anything in the back of my desk to easily move my laptop and put an iPad or a notebook in front of it so that I can work on my laptop and then also write and draw if I need to. I'm also very happy that I have a balcony door right next to my desk where I can observe the trees and film beautiful time lapses like this. And last but not least, this is my chair. It is very comfortable since it has armrests, and I put this pillow for comfort and extra color in the room. And I hang the bag on one of the armrests. And as a bonus at the end, I wanted to show you how it all looks like in the evening. My bed is right next to the desk, so I really like to lay down, read, and enjoy this view. Thank you so much for watching. Comment below your suggestions for the future videos, and if you enjoyed this one, then press like and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video.